Each corner's sticky steps for early language skills. This box targets functions, action verbs, things that go together, and opposites. It also comes with the sticky stepper, as you see here. It's a sneaker with a suction cup on the bottom. When you open up the box, you're going to get the instruction sheet, and then you're going to get 20 question cards per target area. And like I said, it's going to be functions, action verbs, things that go together, and opposites. Then you're also going to get 4 sets of 26 square mystery answer cards. When you set it out, you give each student 3 cards. The first student will pick up one of the square mystery answer cards, which are placed face down. And in this one, it's things that go together. So they're trying to match the things that go together. Once they find a match, then they keep those cards and redraw another rectangular card. The next student would go, and it looks like they have found a gold coin. They get to keep this card as a bonus card, and then they get to go again. This time they got a bucket, and they look at their hand and see if they have a matching card. If they do, they match it. If they don't, they put it face down.